Hey guys, it's Elizabeth from Madero Vlog Moments. I had to think about it for a second. And I am here today in an All-Star Movies Resort room. Now, I have not stayed here in so long. In fact, I thought my kids had stayed here and they haven't. We are such fans of when we stay at a value resort to stay at Pop Century. And so when we had the opportunity to pop down to Orlando for just a couple nights, we thought, you know what, let's try something a little bit different. So I'm going to share with you guys our All-Star Movies room right now. Alright guys, so we got here. I put in a request when I booked the room for a ground floor room because nobody has time to climb stairs after you've been in the parks all day, right? So I've requested that. Then the second request was to have a Fantasia room. So you can look at the maps ahead of time before you stay at your resort and put in your request for a room. Now, they have preferred and standard rooms, and we booked a standard room. When we stay at Pop Century, we usually request a 60s building room because it's the closest to the food, not necessarily because we love the 60s. So I don't think we've ever not gotten it. So I thought when we stayed at All-Star Movies, I'm going to request Fantasia, and we didn't get it. So then when we went to the front desk, I said, is there Toy Story or 101 Dalmatians? No, they wouldn't do it. They said you have to pay a premium. So we said, well, how much is the premium? They went and checked, and the resort was full. So there was nothing. So we are in Herbie the Love Bug, which is the furthest building away from everything, but it's super cute. So I'll make sure to show you pictures and footage of Herbie the Love Bug, but I'm going to show you our room. All right, guys, here is Herbie the Love Bug. We are settled in our room, but I'm going to just show you piece by piece. Now, if you have followed my channel, you've seen we've stayed at Pop Century, and I have shared those rooms. This looks extremely similar because I think it is. This room is a lot cheaper, though, than Pop, and I think it's because it's older. We're noticing a lot of wear and tear in this resort, especially outside and the yard maintenance. I'm kind of surprised because I love Disney so much. So we've got some blackout curtains here, the sheer curtains too, so you can let some light in. And then let me show you this really cute All-Star Movies border. So you can see there's Mighty Ducks, 101 Dalmatians, Fantasia, Herbie the Love Bug. Those are all the resort buildings you can stay at. So here's the back of our door. We got a peephole, some locks. I used my magic band to get in. You can see our Disney stuffed animals that made it on this trip. We just had our room service, so it's kind of set up cute. But this is neat. We've got 2 double beds, a nightstand, and then it's like one giant headboard for both beds, and then a star in the middle. Kind of noticing across the All-Stars that they don't have specific merchandise anymore for each one. It's kind of like All-Star merchandise. So when you come over here, when you first walk in, we've got a table, and there was 2 chairs, and I love it. It's kind of hard to see with our stuff all over it, but it's got cute little Mickeys. We've got a cute mirror. It would have been really neat if they had done a light there instead of above, or 2 small mirrors or something, made it into a Mickey. But we've got a TV. This is a newer dresser, I don't know what you want to call it, armoire type thing. They have replaced it from the years when I was here, when it first was built. But we have a mini fridge, which I'm noticing every time we stay at Disney is a trend. The last time we stayed at Disney was at Animal Kingdom Lodge, and they had a mini fridge. So we're loving that. If you want to see what food we brought for Disney, that is the video I posted right before this one. So make sure you check it out. We have it loaded with food, lots of healthy options. It's got 3 drawers, 3 cubbies, and then right here in the center, here's our little nightstand. It has a clock as well as a phone, and then there's that other chair. And I'll tell you why, is so that I could plug in my phone and my watch and all the rest of it. That's why it's there. So if you wanted to get joining rooms, you could. We did that when I was younger, when I was a teenager. My parents had a room and my sister and I had a room. And then over here are some hooks. This is probably my favorite spot in all of All-Star Movies in our hotel room here. Look at this. It's like Mickey's filming Minnie and Pluto's got a microphone, very cute, and some spots for hooks. So we put our purses and our bags there. And then the curtain that divides in the morning or at night when you're getting ready has got the Fab Five kind of weaved into it, woven into it. And then you've got a mirror to set up. Another thing that I'm noticing that's different between this room and Pop is Pop has a shelf there under the mirror, so we could put all of our toiletries and not take up any counter space. And we asked for extra toiletries, and look, they gave it to us. All you have to do is ask, and they did it. So we put our suitcases over here. They have like a luggage stand. There's a trash can, ironing board. Sorry, all of our stuff is here, guys, but there's an ice bucket. There's also an iron hidden in there somewhere. Oh, back here. There's the iron. And there's a safe in the wall, just so you know. It's got a regular key, not for your magic band. And then let's turn around here. So here's the shower. The tile looks current and the curtain is all stars for All Star. And it's pretty standard. There's the toilet. I will show you though, it's a tight fit in these value resorts. Watch the door with the toilet. You cannot stand there and close the door at the same time. You really have to get out of the way. So it's a little bit of a tight squeeze, but it fits. It's like they made it work just perfect. So there, guys, is All-Star Movies, and this room is 7702. You're not close to anything at all, but it's nice. I have no complaints. It's a nice room. All right, guys, if you like these videos, be sure to give it a thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't already to see more videos like this one, and I will be having definitely footage from our trip this time, and rides and shows that we haven't shared with you guys yet, including the Up show. Was so cool, Animal Kingdom, and the Nemo show. I haven't shared that here on this channel, so I've got some new stuff I want to share with you guys. Thanks so much for watching. I'll see you later. Bye. Yay, Disney!